You know what's worse than the federal government killing pet squirrels? Radon fans killing squirrels.
Should be good. I think it's working.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gross. Oh my gosh, it's like hair, dude. Oh, it's a squirrel. Look at it. It's curled up.
Oh, no.
It's a squirrel.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh.
In the pipe. And you can see there's fur and bone, all kinds of nasty. But that is a squirrel is what it looks like. So we are replacing this fan in a customer's home today. So you can see a squirrel got into this fan and expired. This is a varmint guard. It's a 1/2-inch wire mesh. It allows soil gas to escape but keeps our furry friends out. We have just installed the varmint guard onto the vent pipe. So now no squirrels, birds, snakes, acorns can get into this system. Help me keep all of our furry friends safe. Install a varmint guard onto your radon system today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to follow us, and if you have a comment, feel free to drop that in the comment section below. If you have a radon system, let me hear about it. I love hearing about radon systems, and if I can help, I'd love to do so. Rest in power, P'Nut.